Bonn is located in the west of the country, more specifically in the state of North Rhine-Westphalia. On the banks of the River Rhine, about 20 kilometers south of Cologne, the city is located in the picturesque Rhine Valley and enjoys a central location within Germany, making it easily accessible by road, rail and waterway. Bonn has a long history and was already mentioned a settlement during the ruling era of the Romans. One of the most important chapters in Bonn's history began in 1949 when it was chosen as the provisional capital of the newly established Federal Republic of West Germany after World War II. This decision was made due to Bonn's relatively undamaged infrastructure and its central location in Western Germany. Bonn maintained its status as the capital of West Germany until 1990, when Germany was reunified. Still, Bonn continues to play an important role in German politics and international relations. It remains home to several federal ministries, as well as numerous international organizations and institutions, including the United Nations campus and the Deutsche Welle broadcasting service. For a day trip to Bonn, the train is the best means of transport, as you can get to the city center relatively quickly and easily from the main station. Bonn's city center is a mix of historic charm and modern conveniences. You notice the typical character of an old town. The sidewalk with its narrow cobblestone streets, combined with historical buildings such as the Old Town Hall. The Old Town Hall is a remarkable landmark in Bonn's city center. Probably built in the 18th century and is located on the market square in the heart of Bonn's Old Town. Here is a picture of the Old Town around 1900. It is impressive to see how much of its original character the city has retained. Even today, the main activity is concentrated in the Old Town. For example, the weekly market, where visitors can buy local products. Bonn is also the birthplace of the legendary composer Ludwig van Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven was a composer and pianist who lived in the late 18th and early 19th century. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest composers in the history of Western classical music. The city celebrates its association with the legendary composer and continues to honor his legacy through various events, concerts, and cultural activities. The house where Beethoven was born now serves as a historical museum dedicated to his life and work. Despite its historical character, Bonn appears young and thoroughly modern. Being home to one of the oldest and most renowned universities in Germany makes Bonn attractive for many young people. The University of Bonn is truly magnificent. Founded in the early 19th century, it has a rich history and a strong reputation for academic excellence, particularly in the fields of science, humanities, and social sciences. The architecture in particular is absolutely impressive. Here, you can see the main building, located in the city center. This is a prominent example of neoclassical architecture of the 19th century. It features grand columns, symmetrical facades, and ornate detailing, typical of the neoclassical style. Opposite the building is a large and beautiful park that invites you to take a walk or just relax. Bonn has several districts that are also worth visiting. Melum, one of many districts, is located right on the River Rhine and offers a picturesque location on the banks of the Rhine with beautiful views of the river and the surrounding landscape. Residents can take leisurely walks along the waterfront and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Overall, Bonn is a dynamic city with a blend of historical charm, cultural richness, academic excellence, and natural beauty, making it an attractive destination for visitors and a desirable place to live for its residents. If you liked this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more related content. Thank you so much for watching.